In this video, I am going to show you how you can simply cut an object in half in Blender. So without wasting much time, let's get started with the video. So as you can see, here's the object I want to cut in half. It's this simple square right over here. So what you're going to do first is that you want to go over to your edit mode. So you can simply click on tab to enter the edit mode, or you can simply go over right over here. It says object mode and select edit mode. Once you do that, what you now do is that you wanna select the entire object by clicking on A. So you select A, the entire object will be selected. So make sure that your face is showing clear. Then what you want to do now is that you want to go over to the mesh option. So where it says edit mode, right over here is the mesh option. So select mesh and then select bisect. And this should give you the option to bisect. So then left click and then you can now bisect the object. So select the line, you select your bisection line. So I want it to be right over here, and that should bisect your object. So like I said, you left click and then you change your bisection line or set your bisection line. Then once you're done doing that, what you want to do now is that you want to go over to this option that says bisect right over here. Click on this arrow to expand it, and then you want to make sure that your plane point X is set to 0. So set it to 0, and then make sure that all of these other ones are set to 0 again. So click on 0, set them to 0, also this one to 0, and then make sure that your plane normal X is set to 1. So set this to 1, and then make sure that these other ones right over here are set to 0 again. So set them to 0, and then also this one, select and make it 0, right? So if I go over to my Y side right over here, you can now see that the line is straight. So this helps the bisection line be straight. So you can simply click on 1 on your numpad to make sure it faces the face straight. And as you can see, my bisection line is now straight. So that's what we want. So once you're done doing that, in order to cut this object in half, you can simply click on either clear inner if you want the left side, or clear outer if you want the right side to stay. In this case, I just want the left side to stay. So I'm just going to simply click on the clear inner. And once you do that, you can then now see that your object has been cut in half. But you can also see that there is a gap that needs to be filled, that is right over here, an empty space. If you want this to be filled up, you can simply select the fill option, and that should easily fill that up. So as you can see, I'm now left with the half side that is filled up. So that's how you can simply cut an object in half in Blender. So if you found this video helpful, or if you enjoyed it, or whatever, please comment in the comment section below, and then leave a like for the video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful and useful tutorials. So thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.